Go away.
I've had enough. I'm not playing anymore.
One, two, three. Skull. It's a skull.
I wonder what...
The skeleton of the head.
Got hair.
I can feel the eyes.
How you call this? The cranius.
Is it a person? It feels like a mollusk.
I've never got Graziano.
Uncanny.
The bones. The fringe.
Who's got a fringe that's in her eyes?
Ow!
This is Claudia's fringe.
Is it Craig?
Claudia in a school!
Oh, Claudia!
You're good. You actually have face structure like that.
What?
This week you had funny teeth. Please expand. Tess.
You really catch me with your eyes.
What is slimy?
It feels like Voldemort's scarf.
What is that?
No.
It's fabric.
Is it Ed Bull's sweaty dance gear from 2003?
16.
Is it Antoine's jockstrap?
Vito's top from rehearsal.
Yeah. This is my sweat vest?
What is it? Nigel's t-shirt.
Is it yours?
Now it all makes sense. It's blood, sweat and tears from the rehearsal room.
It's quite like my top after a couple of run-throughs.
Who would like this back?
What's in the box, Diane?
I don't know, shall we have a look?
Ooh.
Oh, I don't like it.
It's a leg.
I think that is a bone.
A bone?
Slimy foot.
Elbow? Is it an elbow?
Is it a muscle?
There's a foot. There's a foot. Well, a leg with a foot.
My legs.
It's a foot.
Twisted. Blister plasters.
No, it's a kind of callus.
Oh, yeah.
I found your other left foot.
How can you know it's blister
Because I have a lot of them.
Plasters. Oh, that's fun. I want to play with this all day.
Don't go away. It looks like my foot after training.
Oh, stop it.
This isn't nice, man.
I've not got any plasters on though.
It's your foot.
It's like your toes, Diane.
That explains why I've had trouble with my knees this week. It's a very dainty little foot though, isn't it?
I'm actively dribbling.
Brain? It's a heart.
Oh!
Why is that?
I bet it's a brain. Oh my, I don't want to touch it.
Is it lunch?
Got legs.
Right, give me your hand.
I don't want to.
This one.
Organs.
What is that? Is that a tomato?
I have the leap.
What is it?
Pumpkin. No? Oh, it's a glycerol.
I've had enough. I'm not playing anymore. No.
Yes! And it's got lovely bits on it.
This is a small little ball, isn't it?
That's a glitter.
It's a ball of those glitter balls.
Good taste.